Hi, this is Richard from Godminster again, and just coming into the entrance of the farm, and I'd like to show you how much we care. So, I don't know if you can see, but on our left hand side here, that side, we've got our cow salad. On the right hand side we've got the new fence that Nicole planted 2 or 3 years ago, which will be more stock proof, much easier to maintain than this wooden one. And then we've got the avenue of trees that you can probably see, and again primarily we have planted these because the cows need a bit of shelter when it's really hot, which obviously we never get anymore. So we're going from one field to the next, and on our left in the next field, which is barn ground, we have the old pig arcs where we had our lovely Oxford Sandy and Blacks, and then we've left this bit for this on the left here, over here, we've left it for the summer to give more cover for insects, for birds, for shrews, for ducks, better breeding environment. We've got the comfrey on our left, which is very good for the cow's feet, and there are blackcurrant bushes parked in there, which is again good for vitamin C. We're then coming on to just outside the farm buildings, where again on this side we've got the lovely landscaping humps with all the trees to hide the buildings. We've then got our reed bed on the right hand side here that helps clean the water, any dirty water that may or may not come out of the dairy. And then on the left hand side here, we're just coming up to it, there's the second pond, and we keep that clear on purpose so that we can see if there's any greenery in it, then there's some pollution getting out, so we know there's a problem on the farm. And so we then finally come around the corner, and we've got on the entrance to the farm a little bit of fun. We planted a load of rosemary bushes, as you can see here, to help make it smell a bit better. So that is our entrance.